Okay, what's the charge on Brooke 10? Well, she's in there already. Is that the only SOS they needed was on Brooke 10? That's it? Or what our charges are.
That's all I saw.
Okay. Looks, oh, we dealt with Lenny's Purefoy already, okay. Good morning, Officer Bumpus.
Good morning, Judge. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Great. On the Samsung, please unmute. I need a name. On the Samsung device, please unmute and give me a name or you will be removed from the session.
How you doing? Can you hear me?
I can. What's your name?
Michael Taylor.
I heard Michael. What's the last name?
Taylor.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to place you in a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter.
Okay.
Please go to room 9. William Tolliver, join the main session, please. William Tolliver, join the main session. I'm going to go get him. Officer Purse, good morning. I'm going to send you to room 1 so you can meet with the city attorney. Please hit join. Madam Clerk, you can go ahead with the Tolliver matter.
Good morning, Judge. Actually, I have to be in another courtroom at courtrooms at the same time. One is in person, the other one is Zoom. I will flip-flopping from court to court, Judge. So
And you make sure you're letting the city attorney know. That's Tamika Horn, who works this courtroom. Please make sure she knows, okay?
I will. I will.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
All right. Okay, Madam Clerk, on William Tolliver, please.
For William Tolliver, Z 8094391, operating while visibly impaired.
Thank you. All right, date and time for review, Officer Bumpus.
Yes, Your Honor, Lori Bumpus on behalf of probation. Mr. Tolliver was last before the court June the 1st, 2026. It was adjourned for today for Mr. Tolliver to pay his fines and costs. I looked on the computer prior to coming to court and I still see a balance of $940.
Okay, does that mean nothing has been paid?
Unless he paid it recently and it's not showing. I don't know, Mr. Tolliver.
Okay, Mr. Tolliver, state your name for the record, please.
William Tolliver.
Okay, all right. So June 1st, so it's been a month, it's been 30 days. What's going on?
I paid it. I paid it this morning.
All right,
They emailed me a copy of the receipt. I would have to play with the phone and know how to share the screen, but
Well,
I did pay it.
okay, Mr. Tolliver, I'm glad you got it paid, but I can't release you from probation if I don't have proof of it. So, you know, you'll need to give us an email address and then we will send you an email to which you can then send that receipt to my clerk and Officer Bumpus. So, Madam Clerk, would you send Mr. Tolliver a chat with your email, please?
Okay.
Or Mr. Tolliver, yeah, would you just start a chat with him? Let him send you his email address and then just do a response with Officer Bumpus included, please, so that he can reply all with his receipt.
Please, okay. Water, you know. Oh, hold on. I just did.
I have it, so I can send him the email so he can respond.
Okay, if you have
I'm,
Mr. If you, wait, Mr. Tolliver, if you have his email address, Madam Clerk, please send him an email, but also CC Officer Bumpus so that when he does a reply all, it will go to both of you.
I just sent the copy of the receipt in this email. Where she asked me for my email address, I just attached a photocopy of the receipt.
Okay, thank you. Madam Clerk, then if you could forward that to me and Officer Bumpus, thank you.
It's in the chat. I don't.
Okay, so we're gonna need it by email, Mr. Tolliver, so that I can see it.
I have to see how to do it. I don't know how to do it. It might.
If he's got it, if he has a screenshot, he can just attach it to an email, Madam Clerk. So he just needs, we need his email address. Just send him a start email copying Officer Bumpus. Mr. Tolliver, you will reply all, attaching a copy.
Okay. Oh, start share. Okay. Oh, only wants to share.
No, I don't want you to share. I want you to send an email. Once you get the email from Madam Clerk, reply all to the email and attach the receipt.
Okay. Yes. Okay, I see it. All right. Oh, I want to see what is it doing? Forward to what? Can I see it?
Mr. Taylor, you need to wait. Someone will be with you. Please wait. If you have some emergency, return to the main session.
Please attach a copy. Okay, now how do I attach the copy? Okay. Reply. Okay. Photo.
Judge, if I may, while we're waiting,
Message.
Yes.
I
Mr.
just wanted-
Oliver, you're narrating your entire thing that you're doing there. I don't know that you want to be doing that. Okay, Officer Bumpus.
I just wanted to thank you so much. I have a defendant who appeared before you in street court, I believe,
Oh, yeah.
and you really helped them out, and I
Oh,
thank you
good.
for that.
Good, good, good. Okay.
Yeah, they were able to get a lot accomplished because of that. So
You
thank
know,
you.
I get to do the fun part. Everybody else
Yeah.
does all the work, right? The
Thank you.
defendant, the attorneys, you.
Thank you so much. So.
I love that I get to play a role, but I cannot take much credit. So thank you.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think I sent it
Okay, let's see.
correct.
Madam Clerk, have you seen anything?
Not yet. You know, our system is kind of slow. And just to let you know, I can't close it out until it posts. I can't
Okay.
do anything with it anyway until it shows
All
on
right.
cash.
Well, Mr. Tolliver, this presents an issue. So,
Okay, yeah, it's sent.
all right. What's today?
Right.
Today's Wednesday. Is that right? Is today Wednesday?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. I have no air conditioning. I'm getting delirious.
Oh, no.
I'm stuck in the heat waiting for the repair guy. Okay. Give me just a moment.
So I sent you what he sent me, but I still can't process anything
Okay.
until the system catches up.
Okay. Let me take a look.
Hey, draft. This is the thing. It's saying I sent it. Though.
Mr. Tolliver, you did send it. Now just wait a
Please
moment.
attach copy.
Mr. Tolliver, we've got it. Give me a minute.
Yeah, it's saying it's sent.
Mr. Tolliver, do you hear me talking? We have it. Like I'm talking to myself. All right, Mr. Tolliver. Hey, Attorney Payne. Okay, Madam Clerk, are we in session tomorrow?
I just
Mr.
resent it.
Tolliver. Okay, I am. I've lost. Mr. Tolliver, please stop talking.
Did I
Yes, all day, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Tolliver, just wave at me if you can hear me. He can't hear me anymore. I don't know what happened.
Oh, no one. Hello?
Mr. Tolliver, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, stop talking. Just listen. We have received your receipt. I can see that you have paid. The problem is it has not posted to the court system yet. I don't want to keep you on probation longer than I have to. I realize it's the holiday. So why don't you log back in tomorrow morning and hopefully it has posted and I can release you from probation. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. All right. So tomorrow morning, log back in at 8:30. I'm hoping that they'll get it posted in the system today.
Okay.
Okay, we'll see you in the morning. Thank you. Thank you, Officer Bumpus.
Yes, thank you, Judge. Have a good day,
Okay.
everyone.
Do you want to come back tomorrow or do you want me to simply handle it once we have the proofs?
Whatever you'd like, Judge.
Okay, well, I know you usually like to participate in that.
Yes, I'll come
Fun
back.
part for you too. Okay, I'll see you in the
Okay.
morning. Okay,
Thank you so
thanks.
much.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Whew, okay, Attorney Payne. Hi. I remember Ms. Taylor being before me previously. I haven't had her check in yet. What's she scheduled for today?
A pretrial, Your Honor.
Okay. So as soon as she's here, I'll let you know. I don't have offers. I'm going to give you co-host and you can hang out in room 2 if you want to wait for Ms. Horn.
Okey doke, will do.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, Madam Clerk, I had sent you an email yesterday about a motion that was filed. Did you get that?
Oh, yes, I forgot to respond. I saw it, but I don't know, I gotta look at it again.
It's not one I filed, Your Honor. It was a previously filed motion.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
You may want to make sure it was actually filed and not just sent. That happens pretty often when people file their own.
It was, I checked the register of action on a prior ticket and it shows it was filed.
Okay, all right, give me just a moment. Madam Clerk, would you please check your email and forward the offers to Attorney Barrett?
I don't have the offers.
You do now. She just sent them.
Motion for return file.
I need to get these offers to Attorney Barrett, but I don't have her email because she's going through breakout rooms with nothing. And they should be in your mailbox.
Okay, I just sent them.
Thank you.
Morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
Attorney Barrett, please check your email for the offers for today. Attorney Barrett, please check your email for today's offers.
Yep, I sent them to her about an hour ago, and then
good.
to Your Honor about 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, I got them from you. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank
Okay,
you.
just so you know, Officer Purse checked in on Perry.
Okay,
He was also working another courtroom. Good morning, Corporal McCree. I'm going to go ahead and get you into room 1 so you can meet with Ms. Horn.
Thank you.
I'm going to check my email, Attorney Payne. I'm not seeing anything. Do you have a copy of the motion, Attorney Payne?
No, that's what I was trying to get. It was
Okay. Does your client have a copy of it? She wasn't able to provide you a copy of what she
No,
filed?
she did not have a copy. I checked the ROA and it does show a motion to get her gun back was filed and apparently a clearance letter was signed by the court, according to my client.
Okay, I think I remember her.
what's the name?
This is on Shakina Taylor.
I
Do you
remember her too.
Can you see if you have a copy of the motion? We're looking
Yes,
for.
Your Honor, absolutely.
Thank you. I do remember this matter. Officer Bush, good morning. Which case are you here on, please? Officer Bush, can you hear me? Officer Van Alstine, good morning. I'm going to go ahead and put you in breakout room number 1.
All right, good morning. Thank you.
Good morning. City Attorney will be there shortly.
Sounds good. Appreciate it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I forwarded what I have. I remember the issue for me was procedurally how it was filed. I think he filed it, Reese Carpenter filed it 3/25. I received it on 3/30. And then I asked him to send me a copy that had, if you notice the copy you have is what I received initially. No proof of service, it's like incomplete. But albeit all that, I think he sent me something, another one. But
Reeves?
yeah, from Reese Carpenter, but I don't see anything since.
Okay.
But that is the sketch of what it was.
Did you see my client tells me that the judge signed a clearance letter on March 25th of 2020. Did you see
Or
that?
like an order
I
to
don't-
release a firearm.
Yeah,
I don't have it. You might want to check with Mr. Carpenter.
the police
Not
officer.
sure. Yeah. Or the record.
Yep, I remember this.
Because I think it was reissued also. And I got your email from yesterday, Ms. Payne. Thank you.
It
Okay.
was reissued, and is that may be why Attorney Payne is assigned?
Maybe because it's the SP 183.
Has
It
has she received her property?
Yes.
Okay.
And the reissue on the ticket was dated, well, the ticket was dated 4/2/26. So that was a little confusing. I didn't know there was a prior case, but subsequently I found out that that's the case.
It was a reissue.
It was dismissed at trial.
Okay, and and Ms. Payne, we can
Okay.
scope that some more. I'll meet you in room 2. Right now, I'm gonna go talk to the officers.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
All
we
right.
may have to
And we-
pull transcripts, hopefully not, but we may.
All right, I'll go in room.
But I'm not understanding why we're still dealing with the motion if the motion was for return of her firearm and she's gotten it back.
Yeah, I
Because
understand that.
I may be filing a motion to dismiss based on the prior activities to object to the reissue, but I need to see what he filed.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Okay. All right, you guys go talk and then let me know if we need to pull transcripts.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
All right.
I just had a couple of questions here.
Mhm.
The return date for the court appointed is 7/15, correct?
At 9:15 a.m.
Okay, great. I just wanted to double check that. And the other thing I needed to double check, and I just released them. I got his information. The other issue is the city attorney is here. I can't read the plea for Evan Phillips. And then the other issue is for Angelique Taylor. She's saying she has other cases, but I only have one, so I don't know. Do
Okay,
you?
let's do Phillips first, because I can probably help you with that real quick.
I can't read it, but the other part of it is they only have one case, but the plea includes several issues.
Okay, give me a minute. There may be cases in default from the same ticket.
Right, but I can't read what's in the corner, it's too small.
What time is Evania?
Yeah, hold on one second, I have to pull that up.
I'm looking for it on the docket.
It's at the top, let me see something.
There we go. All right, no
Oh, you
insurance
found it.
misdemeanor. Yeah, okay, so Madam Clerk, can you pull the Phillips file? Let me know when you have it. I need you to look at the ticket, please.
Okay,
What are counts 1 and 2 on that ticket?
disregard traffic control device and no valid registration, civil.
Okay, so she'll want to know if he has insurance and registration, and then you'll need to see her on the disregarding the sign.
Disregard the sign.
Yeah, but he's got insurance, registration, and disregarding traffic signal.
Okay, and then for Angelique Taylor, she says she has other cases. Do you look those up or no?
Yeah, Madam Clerk can try to find them.
She
for you.
has 3 cases in default from December 22, 2025. They weren't a part of the cases she have today. That's why they're not included.
Okay, hold on a minute. What are the ones from 2025?
Speeding 11 to 15 miles per hour over, no valid registration, civil, no proof of insurance, civil.
Okay, so that was on Angelique Taylor.
Yeah,
Sorry, I'm gonna ask you, I'm just what's on the room. You got it? 11 to 15 over, registration and insurance, Madam Clerk?
yes.
Okay,
Okay, I'm about to talk to her about those. Okay, all right, let me go back. Thank you.
okay, thank you. Morning, Mr. Price.
Good morning.
How are you?
All right.
Were you here with me recently? I just remember the name, but it's,
Yes, I had checked in. I had checked in earlier, but they said I had to come back at 9:30.
okay, all right. I'm gonna get you into a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney, okay?
Okay.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of outside of court at all?
No, I talked to the attorney the last court day, I think it was 2 weeks ago. I think it was the 10th, or might have
When
been
you were
3 weeks
when
ago.
you
But
were
I
in
know.
court? When you were in court?
Yes.
Okay, all right. I'm
Yes.
gonna send you to room 10. An attorney's gonna come and see you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead to room 10. It'll be a minute. She's working through some other rooms. Mr. Pearson, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm gonna go ahead and get you into breakout room number 11. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court?
No, I just entered.
No, I mean outside of your court dates. Have you spoken with anyone about your case, an attorney?
No,
Okay, all right. I'm gonna get you into a breakout room so you can do that. Did you come out of a breakout room?
no.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in room 12. Someone will be, didn't I just send someone to 11? Okay, I'm gonna put you in room 11. Someone will be there momentarily to see you.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Marquise Perkins, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How are you? How are you this morning, Mr. Perkins? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
All right. How are you this morning?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
Good, thanks. Okay, I'm just looking for you on my docket. Are you on the docket today?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Do you know what time you were scheduled for? Oh, there we go.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry about being late. I was supposed to
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay.
at 8:30.
It's okay, Mr. Perkins. Madam Clerk, could you run an SOS on Mr. Perkins, please?
Or drop her off at court.
His license is valid.
Okay. All right. Can we call this one? Mr. Perkins, turn your camera on, please.
Yes, ma'am. Hold on one second. Yes, ma'am.
Marquise Antoine Perkins, SB 1885902, count 1, driver license suspended.
I have.
Mr. Perkins, state your name for the record.
My name is Marquise Perkins.
Thank you, Mr. Perkins. We've checked the validity of your license with the Secretary of State. We can see that it's valid. Your ticket is dismissed.
Okay, thank you. You have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Morning, officer.
Morning.
How do you pronounce your last name?
Prestula.
Prestula. Okay, good morning. All right, I'm going to get you into breakout room number 1. City Attorney is waiting there to speak with you. Please join room 1.
Thank you.
Okay, Madam Clerk, we're ready on Michael Taylor when you are.
Okay, Michael Anthony Taylor, SX 4677055, count 1, driver license suspended.
Thank you, Mr. Taylor. State your name for the record, please.
Michael Taylor.
Thank you. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of the reduced charge of failure to display a valid license, with everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Would you repeat your answer, please?
Can you repeat what you said, ma'am?
Yes. Did counsel advise you that you have a right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you will not have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Correct.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have the date and location, please?
May 13, 2026, North M39 in Plymouth.
Sir, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Correct.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to get that fine paid or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. You must do one of those 2 things within the next 60 days to keep your deal in place, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Have a great day.
You too, ma'am. Thank you.
Hey, Attorney Barrett.
Yes.
So I can see that Brooke Tennant's license is valid. Do you have any, is she ready?
She was supposed to, I was going over, she said she had valid insurance too.
Okay.
And I had to check the email. Hold on. She's supposed to be sending it to me. That was what I had to do on her. Hold on 1 second. I'm looking for it. She said she sent it to me, so I'm
Okay.
looking
Does
at
she have
it.
it in paper form that she can show it to me?
Oh, she could. I just had her send it to me. Yes, she does.
Yeah, if she showed it to you, then I'll take your word.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
I'll
that's
record
fine.
that you reviewed it. Okay.
Okay.
Is there a
All
motion
right.
to dismiss as to all?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about her registration? Should she deal with that?
Let me go back and ask her right quick.
Okay, thank you. Trayvon's iPhone, good morning. I need a full name, please.
Trayvon Price.
Thank you. Where is Trayvon Price? There we go. Track racing disregard. All right, we're set for trial. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all, Mr. Price?
No.
Okay, I'm going to get you into a breakout room. An attorney will come and see you shortly.
Okay.
Do you know, Madam Clerk, we've got 2 prices scheduled for trial. We've got 1 officer in the officer room. Do you know which one? Is it, I think he told me Kevin Price, but I just want to confirm.
I checked this morning. We had a Kevin Price a couple days ago. This is Kevin Lowell Price for today. I only see 1 Price for today.
Trayvon Price, please join the breakout room. Someone will be with you shortly. I have Trayvon Price scheduled at
9:30.
I have Kevin Price and Trayvon Price, both scheduled for trials and formal hearings today. I'm trying to understand which officer. He's here on Kevin Price. Okay, I have not had an officer on Trayvon Price yet.
Okay. I let in an officer. I was trying to put the name behind
Okay,
him.
that's all right. All good. All right, I have Officer Karam. Please unmute. Which case are you here on? Guys, you're gonna miss the city attorney. I need to quickly rename you as the officers. Okay.
It would be Officer Karam's here on Miss Taylor.
Shakina Taylor. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Officer Karam, you're going to room 1.
No, I'm sorry, Your Honor. Karam there's 2. There's a Shakinya and a Shanika.
Oh, okay. Don't go yet. Oh, goodness. Okay. That's my fault. Give me a minute. I need to rename you again.
The first name is SHI.
Gotcha. I put it back how you had it. Officer Karam, if you still see the invitation to room 1, please go there.
I don't see it. Oh,
Okay.
never mind. I see it.
Okay, great. Thank you.
No problem.
All right, Officer Luna, I'm going to send you to breakout room number 1 as well. Please join breakout room number 1 to see the city attorney. Conscious D, you've been here before and I've asked you to name your device before. Please unmute. I need a name. This is what I don't have time to do in court every day.
I'm sorry, Daryl Pritchett.
Because you know how to name your device. You named it Conscious D.
Daryl Pritchett.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
All right. Is this Attorney Carpenter, Madam Clerk, for Daryl Pritchett? Madam Clerk, can you hear me?
632.
Okay, I'll look it up, but you'll be let in shortly.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, yes, Your Honor.
Is that Attorney Carpenter for Daryl Pritchett? I just wanted to double check.
Richard. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Pritchett, I'm going to get you into a breakout room. Your attorney will be there to meet with you shortly.
Thank you so much.
Why can't I see you on the screen? There we go. Okay. All right, you're going to go to room 3. Please go there and wait.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. All right, good morning, officers. I need to get you into your breakout room to see the city attorney. Corporal Lack, good morning to you. You're going to room 1. City attorney is already in there. Lieutenant Hamoud, I need to know which case you're here on, please.
Good morning. I'm here for Daquan Jarrell Pearson.
Thank you.
Case number SP 8977632.
Thank you. I'm going to send you to room 1 to meet with city attorney.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead and hit join. Officer, is it Reisky? I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it correctly.
Risky.
Thank you. I know
Good
you've
morning.
been with me a few times. Good morning. I'm sorry I couldn't pronounce that. Which case are you here on, please?
Terry Parnell.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Officer Risky, you're going to room 1. City attorney will see you there.
Okay, thanks.
Mm-hmm. Ms. Tennant, I'll be with you in just a moment. Ma'am, on the Motorola, good morning, and the glasses. I need you to unmute for me. I sent you a prompt to unmute. Attorney Wilkerson, good morning to you. I'm giving you co-host now.
Good morning. Okay,
Good morning.
thank you.
I've given you co-host. You can go to room 2. The officer has checked in. At least one officer has checked in on that case.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Room 2 for city attorney. All right, on the Motorola, looks like you are unmuted now. What's your name with the glasses?
Karen Pickens.
First name is Karen?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Was Ms. Pickens scheduled for trial today, Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Do you know if she has appointed counsel?
No, she doesn't.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Pickens, I'm going to get you into a breakout room. You're going to room
Okay.
13. Someone will be with you shortly.
Okay, thank you.
Why do you have so many trials scheduled today? Okay, then I have Terry Parnell. We'll need an SOS on Terry Parnell, please, when you get a moment, Madam Clerk. I'm going to call the Brooke Tenon matter and do those dismissals. Ms. Tenon, unmute your device. Thank you. All right, calling ticket number SP 13264-261 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Brook Tinian. Ma'am, state your name for the record, please.
It's Brooke Tennant.
Thank you. All right, is your middle name Ashley?
Yes.
Okay, want to make sure I have the right person. Defense counsel has informed the court that she has reviewed all of your valid documentations. We have confirmed the validity of your license with the Secretary of State. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you so very much.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Let me know what you get back on Parnell. Zoe Thomas, good morning. I'm going to get you into a breakout room. Your attorney will be here to see you shortly. All right, Zoe Thomas, please go to room 5. Please hit join. Officers, I need to know which cases you're here on, please.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Officer Mahone.
Thank you. Which case are you here on, please?
I'm out here on Zoe Thomas.
Thank you. Ms. Thomas did just check in. I'm gonna
Hello,
get you,
ma'am.
get you into room 1 to see the city attorney. Officer Williams.
I am here on a Mr. James Henry Powell.
Thank you. Good morning to you.
Good morning, ma'am. Sergeant Backdresser.
Good morning, Sergeant Backstresser. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you this morning?
I'm good, thanks.
I'm here on Price, Kevin.
Okay, thank you. All right, Officer Williams, sending you to room 1. Go ahead and join. Sergeant Backstresser, just getting you renamed. And I'm going to send you to breakout room number 1 to see the city attorney. Okay. Ms. Taylor, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good. All right. I'm going to get you into a breakout room to meet with the attorney.
Okay.
This is Attorney Payne's case. Okay, she'll be with you shortly. Please join the breakout room. Let me know when you get your SOS back.
I'm not getting a response. I don't know if it's slow.
All right. Thank you. Attorney Carpenter, good morning.
Morning.
You have clients in room 3 and 5.
Okay.
I'll give you co-host. City attorney is here. She's in room 1 right now. We'll come to room 2 to see you.
Okay, thank you.
I need to move some folks out of here. My breakout rooms are too full. Where's Attorney Barrett? Attorney Barrett, do you have anything else ready for me in your other rooms? Well, I don't know what to do. Hey, I need to move some people out.
I
because
I disconnected myself.
That's okay.
The
Can you hear
question,
me?
yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I've got a delay. So I was just saying I need to get some people out of these other breakout rooms, like,
Okay, well,
you
this
got
was
any?
the one
Oh, you
I
need
was
to
trying
talk
to,
to her about 4 and 6.
wait a minute, hold on one second. I didn't get the new plea for Taylor. And then the other thing was this one guy, and he had a number. Hold on one second. This is what I was trying to figure out, but I'm not sure. For Mr. Kevin Price. Which officers are here and which ones
So
are
you can,
not?
if you look at room 1, we always name the officers, but the problem is Ms. Horn is speaking to them and then releasing them. So you're going to need to see Ms. Horn to see who's here and who's not. That's why I was asking you if your other ones were ready, but I know you need her for those two. Okay.
Okay, and then Trevon Price, I was trying to determine for these people that were set for
Yeah.
trial. And then Angelique Taylor, I needed a new offer for her. And then Brenda Timmons had the valid doc. She came out.
Yep, her cases were dismissed. So you've got Angelique Taylor in 4 where you need a new offer. You've got Ivania Phillips in room 6 where I think you need a new offer because you've got
Correct.
additional insurance registration and disregarding the signal.
And
And then you have your trial cases. Trial cutoff, they get 30 minutes. So trial cutoff is at 10 o'clock. I have not had an officer check in on Trayvon Price to my knowledge or Karen
okay.
Pickens. However, Ms. Horn may have spoken to them, so we'll need to
Is
check.
she here?
Yeah, she was just in room 1 speaking to the officers. Oh, she left.
Validate the offers. I think it's just the trials that are left in those offers I need from her.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
So,
I'm gonna tell her that you need her.
where is she in 2?
She's not here. She
Oh,
is probably in Perkins.
well, should I go wait for her in 2 maybe?
Yep, I'm gonna get to her right now.
You want me to wait here or go there?
You can go in room 2. I'll send her.
Okay. Oh, I need the co-host abilities because I disconnected myself.
Okay, you should have co-host now. Attorney Barrett, you have co-host now. On the iPhone, unmute. I need a name, please.
Leah Perry.
Okay, thank you. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court, Ms. Perry?
Yes, I believe so.
Do you know who it was?
It's been so long. No, I do not.
Attorney Wilkerson. She was here. All right, I'm gonna get you, Ms. Perry, into room 7. Please hit join.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Attorney Wilkerson, your client is in room 7. Attorney Wilkerson, your client is in room 7. Officer Wyborski, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Here for Pearson.
Is there a first name or initial?
Daquan.
Thank you. Mr. Pearson is here, I believe. All right, I'm gonna get you into breakout room number 1. City attorney will be there to see you.
Okay, thank you much.
All right, Madam Clerk.
Okay, it sounds like lien response from lien is coming out now.
Okay.
Terry Parnell is suspended.
All right, Mr. Parnell, I got to get you into a breakout room to see an attorney. I was hoping that you weren't still suspended. You're going to go to room 15. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. 15, and then the attorney will come and see you.
Thank you.
Sound like there was a sleeping baby at home.
And 3 of these.
So, Madam Clerk, I need to ask you to do a little bit of work on Angelique Taylor.
Okay.
I'm not really sure. What's going on? She's saying that those additional tickets that we were talking about, she's saying the only ticket she should have left is her park ticket. And so I'm wondering if you can look at the register of actions. We may have, like, if it was a day that you were out, that's when these mix-ups occur, when you have, coverage. So we may have to pull transcripts because she says these were already adjudicated.
Oh, okay. This is what happens, and it's no fault of the court. People don't pay their tickets when they're supposed to. They get a warrant. When they come back to get arraignment on a bench warrant, first floor cannot schedule it as a review. We don't know it's a review until we actually look at the ticket.
Okay.
The
Great.
warrant was removed and she paid the ticket, so it's a review. It's not arraignment you know, it is an arraignment on the bench warrant because bench warrant went out, but the first floor can't schedule it for review.
Okay. Officer Ratliff, good morning. Please go to room 1. City attorney will meet you there shortly. So so I just want to understand what Ms. Taylor has active and which ones are not. Let me grab a pen and paper those so that I can understand.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's talk about Angelique Taylor.
Okay. So she came in June 17th. They removed the warrant and
Hold
they
on,
let her.
but I'm so sorry. First, because we're talking about different sets of tickets, I need to know which tickets we're talking about. So she
Okay.
came in June 17th for what proceeding?
The park closed. It was a delayed sentence. She was supposed to pay by June 8th. She didn't, the warrant went out. No, she made a $20 payment. The warrant was issued and she came in June 17th. The warrant was lifted. It was scheduled for arraignment on the bench warrant for today. She made a payment of $170 on June 17th. It must have been when she had the warrant removed.
Okay.
But it's still scheduled for arraignment on a bench.
So that would mean the park ticket is going to be dismissed under the delayed sentence because it's completely paid. Is that correct?
Yes, it's now paid.
So we've got our park closed ticket. Then she's got these additional tickets that you found today, which were registration, insurance, and the speeding, the 11 to 15.
That had nothing to do with us because they were just civil infractions. So they wouldn't have made it to our courtroom because she didn't have a misdemeanor to go along with it.
Do you see an ROA there on those?
Okay. So she got the tickets December 22, 2025. A court date or nothing was ever scheduled, nothing was ever paid. They went into default January 22, 2026, and that's it. They just accumulated late fees.
Okay. Let's bring her out. Attorney Barrett, please join the main session when available. Attorney Barrett, please join the main session when available. Angelique Taylor, please join the main session. Angelique Taylor, please join the main session. All right, we're trying to figure out Angelique Taylor. So, okay, Ms. Taylor, good morning again. Go ahead and start your camera. We're trying to work through what's going on with these tickets.
Good
So
morning.
she's got this park closed ticket, Attorney Barrett. She was on a delayed sentence for in the park after dark.
Okay.
Okay, so that one, she is completely paid off under a delayed
Okay.
sentence. That's going to get dismissed.
Okay, great.
Right. So then Ms. Taylor,
Yes.
the additional tickets that we are showing is registration insurance and 11 to 15 miles per hour over. Those are civil infractions that were standing alone. And so they don't come to me as a judge. They go to a magistrate first or to a pre-hearing with a police officer. So I'm trying to understand what you believe happened with those tickets, because all we're seeing is that no action was ever taken on them, that they were received in December of 2025, December 22nd of 2025, and that then they went into default. That means there was a court date you didn't show, they deemed you guilty or responsible and assessed fines, okay? So
I'm sorry.
that's okay, but this is complicated, and you're the best, you may be the best source of
okay.
information. So hold on, I need to finish asking the question, all right?
Okay.
So Your park ticket, you did pay off. That one's going to be dismissed.
Okay.
All right, under your delayed sentence. Then we have these additional tickets for what are called civil infractions, registration, insurance, and 11 to 15 over. Okay. Those we are showing that you received December 22nd of 2025. We're showing they went into default because you missed a court date on them on January 22nd of 2026. Because they are civil infractions and not misdemeanors, and they didn't have a misdemeanor to go with them, they would not have come before me. You would have been before a pre-hearing officer or a magistrate if you went to court on these. You're telling me that you believe you went to court. We don't have a record of you ever going to court or doing anything with these tickets. We can still help you with them, but we don't have a record of any of that happening. I'm a little bit confused because you're telling me that you had an attorney who represented you, and that's possible but generally that's not going to happen unless you're in front of me, because we don't allow attorneys at informal hearing. So unless you were in front of me, there wouldn't have been an attorney involved in negotiating these tickets for registration, insurance, and 11 to 15 over.
Yes, no, it was some other tickets that I had. And when I explained to the judge, just like I was saying, and that's how I know it was adjudicated. I asked the attorney, she asked the judge to adjudicate the tickets that I had. I had other tickets, which was those tickets. And I showed proof of my insurance and everything, my registration.
Okay.
And they dismissed those tickets.
Okay.
Now she had told me that I still had a balance, which was this ticket that I had paid off.
Right,
Which
so you got that done. What do you remember about this 11 to 15 over speed?
I remember the officer even told me that he was going to dismiss it if I had showed him my insurance and everything. I was on my way to do a test at Michigan Works.
Okay.
And I was like a little late. I was running behind, but
Okay.
he had explained to me that if I came up there and I showed him my registration insurance, that he was going to dismiss the tickets.
Okay. Madam Clerk, are you able to see who the officer was on that registration, insurance, and 11 to 15 over ticket?
Officer Ambrose.
Okay, Officer Ambrose. All right. I think what we need to do. So I think what we need to do, Ms. Taylor, is we're going to dismiss your park ticket today. Okay.
Okay.
Do you still have registration or insurance?
Yes.
Okay. Can you show those to me?
Yes.
All right. So here's the thing.
Do you want me to add it to the check?
No, what I don't want to do with this 11 to 15 over is have you plead to something if in fact it was dismissed and for some reason that wasn't caught in the register of actions. Okay.
Yes.
What I'd like to do is give you a date to come back, and I'm going to pull the transcripts from your last proceedings with me.
Okay.
So that I can read exactly what happened and make sure that it matches up with what was noted in the system. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Let's try to get it done quickly though. Madam Court Reporter, how long will it take to get Ms. Taylor's transcripts from June? We have June 17th and it looks like maybe June, was it 22nd, Madam Clerk, that she was in front of me?
No, just a second.
Okay. All right, Ms. Horn is here, Attorney Barrett. We'll finish up with Ms. Taylor so that you can get to her, but she'll probably go in with the officers first, actually.
Okay.
The plea was entered on March 9th, 2026.
Okay, so March 9th, 2026. Okay. All right. So we need to pull the transcript from March 9th. And then let's pull from June 17th as well, just to be sure that we're covering our bases.
June 17th, there wasn't a hearing. She went to the first floor to have the warrant moved to get today's court date.
I thought you told me there was a date in June that she was before us.
She wasn't before us. She came into the courthouse.
Okay.
The warrant was removed for her to get today's court date.
Yeah. Okay. So March 9th, Madam Court Reporter, Ms. Horn, you do have co-host. Thank you for coming. All right. So then the only date that she was before us was March 9th, and that was on the park ticket. So if it was addressed by counsel on that day, it should be in the March 9th transcript, Ms. Taylor. Ms. Taylor, now go ahead. There was something you wanted to tell me. Ms. Taylor, was there something else you wanted me to know?
Yes, I was trying to see because it was a man where it say Ramsey-Heath. I believe it was this because I know I had a court date. I had got another ticket, but that was.
So we're showing that you were here with us with me on March 9th. I'm Ramsey-Heath. So we're showing that you were in court on March 9th. What I want to do is I want to pull the transcripts from your plea proceeding to see if everything was dismissed on that day so that we can get it matched up. Madam Court Reporter, can you tell me how long it would take to get the March 9th transcript?
I can have it done in a week.
Okay.
Well, like next Friday.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Taylor, can you come back next Friday?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so I'm going to have you return next Friday at 8:30 a.m. and I'm going to keep these other matters, the registration insurance 11 to 15 over. We'll just postpone them till next Friday so that I have the transcript in hand and we can see exactly what's going on, okay?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Officer Franklin, good morning. Which case are you here on, please? Attorney Wilkerson, are you ready on your matter?
Let me see, Daryl Pritchett.
Thank you.
Yep.
I need to quickly get you in with City Attorney. Mr. Pritchett is here. You're going to room 1.
Okay, thank you so much.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you're.
Attorney Carpenter.
Yes, I am ready on Zoe Thomas.
Okay, the officer just arrived on the Pritchett matter. All right, Madam Clerk, would you please call the Zoe Thomas matter, please?
Okay, for Zoe Thomas, SP 1901031, drag racist spectator.
Thank you. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Your Honor, Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Zoe Thomas. Zoe Thomas, can you please state your full name for the record?
Ms. Thomas, please start your camera. Thank you. State your name.
Zoe Thomas.
Thank you. Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, it is my understanding that Officer Mahone has failed to appear today, so we would be moving for a motion to dismiss for no officer.
Thank you. And you have confirmed with Ms. Horn that the officer did not appear?
He did appear.
Oh, he did?
Yes.
Did you speak with Ms.
Okay.
Horn?
I haven't had the opportunity to yet. I didn't see him in any of the breakout rooms.
Yeah, so if they get here before you, you might miss it because she'll speak to them and then release them. So you got to check with her, okay? All right. So Ms. Thomas, I'm gonna put you back in a breakout room. Okay. I'm gonna have to move you back. I'm gonna move you twice so I can get you back into room 5. Please watch your device. You're gonna go to room 4 and then to room 5. Ms. Thomas, join room 4. I'm gonna just leave her in 4, Attorney Carpenter's. since your other case is right
Okay,
there.
thank you.
Okay. Oh, Madam Clerk, would you call Angelique Taylor matter just so I can formally dismiss it on the record? I don't know that we actually did that. Madam Clerk, are you muted?
For Angelique Monique Taylor, SP 1762850, count 1, City Parks closed.
All right, thank you. All right, for the record, Ms. Taylor did appear. She has paid her ticket in full. No evidence of any further offenses. Her ticket is now dismissed pursuant to her delayed sentence. Thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, I'm going to give you a call.
Hey, Attorney Barrett, are you? Oh, she left. Okay. Good morning, Mr. Pinion. This is the court clerk. Can you unmute me, please?
Yes.
Yes, you were scheduled for 8:30. Are you available to come back to court tomorrow morning? Because we're on trials now.
Yes, yes, I am, ma'am. I'm sorry
Make
about
sure
this.
Make sure you're on time.
Yes, I will.
8:30 tomorrow morning.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Bye.
Okay, Madam Clerk.
Okay, for Trevin Price, SP 189-355, count, 3551, counts 1 and 2, drag racing spectator, and disobey lawful order of a police officer.
Thank you, Mr. Price. Please start your camera and state your name.
Trayvon Price.
Thank you. Mr. Price, the officer who was subpoenaed to appear for trial today has failed to appear. For that reason, the court will dismiss your tickets. The dismissal is without prejudice. That means they could try to refile it at a later date. If they were successful in doing so, you'd come back and we'd start again, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye. All right, Attorney Payne.
Yes, Your Honor, we need,
Ms. Taylor, can you unmute for me and start your camera? Yes, Attorney Payne.
okay, we need to have Ms. Horn in here to set dates.
Okay, all right. Is she? Madam Clerk, can you give me host, please?
Oh.
Thank you. And then we'll call the Zoe Thomas matter. I'll try to get Ms. Horn out here in just a moment.
Ready for Zoe Thomas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For Zoe Thomas, SP 1901031, count one, drag racing spectator.
Thank you. Attorney Carpenter?
Yes, Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Zoe Thomas. Can you please state your full name for the record?
Zoe Thomas.
Okay, Attorney Carpenter.
Your Honor, it is my understanding, and I did speak with City Prosecutor Tamika Horn, that Officer Mahone has no recollection of this matter, so we would be moving to dismiss due to a lack of officer recollection.
All right, thank you, Ms. Thomas. That means things got even better for you because this dismissal will be with prejudice, meaning they will not be able to refile it since it is based upon the officer's inability to recall. All right, ticket is dismissed with prejudice. Have a good day, Ms. Thomas.
You too.
Hey, Ms. Thomas,
Yes.
you're a young person. Stay out of trouble. Summertime. All right,
That won't see me there no more.
very good. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye. All right. See if we can get Ms. Horn.
I'll go get her.
Yep, I can see her talking. Just tell her we need her for scheduling order.
Okay.
How you doing, Ms. Taylor?
I'm fine. How are you?
Thank you. All right, we've got her, Attorney Payne. She's with us.
Oh, she's here.
Okay, guys. Let's go ahead and make sure we call the case so that we have good record here. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Shakina Taylor matter?
Okay. For Shakina Juanita Taylor, SP 1890072, count one, discharge firearm.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Taylor, just state your name for the record, please.
Shakina Taylor.
Thank you. All right, Attorney Horn, would you make your appearance for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Thank you. And Ms. Payne, Attorney Payne.
Sharon Payne on behalf of Ms. Taylor, P38749.
Thank you. Okay, I understand we're going to have a motion.
Yes.
Okay, and do you guys need anything else from the court? I know we had some confusion about what was filed when.
The only thing that I have not been able to get a copy of, if it was issued, was a order from the court from Mr. Carpenter's motion that was filed on 3/25/26.
Okay.
Because I see that in the Register of Actions for the prior case, this is a reissue, there was a motion filed by Mr. Carpenter. Ms. Horn was kind enough to give me what she received, which is one page. And fortuitously, Mr. Carpenter is here today. And I've been able to talk to him to find out if he would please send me what he filed in total.
Okay.
And I will, of course, forward that to Ms. Horn. I do have.
I actually remember this case now because I remember it being a very short motion that was submitted without a brief. I remember speaking to Mr. Carpenter about that. I also remember asking him to submit an order, which we discovered was on the back of the motion after some time. And I did sign that order. Now, whether or not it got entered, I don't remember, but I remember asking him to submit the order. So let's pull the transcripts. Madam Clerk, we're going to need to pull transcripts on Ms. Taylor's matter. I just want to know which dates we need to give to Madam Court Reporter.
Okay.
Because there was a motion hearing.
Okay.
for the case that was issued November 7th, 2025, SP 182-33371. It was dismissed on February 27th, 2026 for an officer's failure to appear.
Okay. And are you not seeing any proceedings after that? Because it would have been after that we had the motion for the return of her property.
The only thing I see is what Attorney Payne is saying on March 25, 2026, motion for return of seized property filed. There are no other entries after that.
And you're not seeing a motion hearing date there.
No.
It's very strange. Okay. Perhaps I've mixed up the cases. We've had a lot of these lately about return of firearms.
Yes, Your Honor. It might have been Natasia Powell.
Okay.
There's extensive work on that one. I remember that. And so I was also getting those two confused.
Okay, thank you for reminding me, because I'm like, I remember a case where we did have one, and I remember it was Attorney Carpenter. And I remember that it was a one-page motion, kind of like what I have today. All right. So it may be that if this never got actually filed or something we didn't get to the motion hearing part of it. All right. So going forward, we need to schedule a motion hearing date. And then, so we need a scheduling order. I'm looking at the calendar. Attorney Payne, when do you think you can have your motion in?
Today's the 1st. I've got a number of doctor's appointments next week. I can probably have it filed by July 14th, if that's good.
That works for me. And if you, it's up to the court, I can give you I don't mind till the end of the week because I know
That's
you're
what
juggling.
I was going to suggest the 17th. So you want to take until the July 17th?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll give you until July 17th to file your motion.
And that's a motion to dismiss, madam?
That is correct.
Okay, thank you.
And then, so that's July 17th. And then Ms. Horn, Attorney Horn, do you want to?
The 31st, if the judge, if the court is okay.
Okay, we'll do response due by the 31st. And then we will set the hearing for 1 week after that, which will be August the 7th.
August the
If
7th.
that works for you guys, yeah, let me know.
Yes, can we do it the 6th? For some reason, I have the 7th crossed out. I don't know why.
Sure.
Works for me.
Like when we all started using Zoom, I have Zoom in on my calendar. I'm like, Zoom in for what and with who? All right. All right, August 7th. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Why don't we do 9:30? We'll schedule it with the trials. Okay. August 7th, 9:30 a.m., Ms. Taylor, and then they'll both be working on your issues up to that date, okay?
Okay.
Okay, all right. We will see you back then.
All right. Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you.
Thank you.
And for the court and for Ms. Payne and her client, I'm going to check into the question you asked me as to why there was no officer. So I'll definitely be looking into this in the interim.
Sounds good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, all right. So now looks like we are ready on Ms. Perry. Whenever you are, Madam Clerk, on Alea Perry.
And Your Honor, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the offer for Mr. Pearson.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. For Alea Diamond Perry, SP 1888591, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger.
Thank you. All right, Attorney Wilkerson, ready for your appearance. Ms. Perry, everybody please turn your cameras on. Unmute.
Field Manager Wilkerson, P81003 on behalf of Ms. Perry. Ms. Perry, please state your full name for the record.
My name is Alea Diamond Perry.
Thank you, Ms. Perry. Please start your camera. Thank you. All right.
Yeah, at this time, the prosecution will be dismissing this with the stipulation for probable cause.
All right, thank you. Is this dismissal with prejudice?
I believe without prejudice.
Okay, is it for no officer? Or do you know the basis for the?
No, in the interest of justice.
All right, that would be a with prejudice then. All right, Ms. Perry, your case is dismissed with prejudice at this time. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, we're ready on Daryl Pritchett, and then we'll go to Kevin Price.
I have to write this down.
Did you get your offer on Evanaya Phillips? One moment, please. Attorney Barrett, did you get your offer on Phillips yet?
I was still, no, he went to go get,
Been here.
I know, I'm still trying to get some of these. I don't know, did she leave? Cause I need,
No, Attorney Horn's been here for a minute now, and
well,
she's
I've been going, I need to go back and talk to her.
she's in room 1. I mean, so you might just let her know, but yeah, he's been here since like 8:30, so I want to get him out of here.
Okay, yeah, well, he went to go get some receipts, so I got to go and talk to her again about him and steal some other ones. I sent out the ones that were ready, though.
Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, Madam Clerk, when you're ready on Pritchett, please.
Darrell Junior Pritchett, SP 1871427, count 1, disobey lawful order of a police officer. SP 1871424, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. SP 1871395, count 1, no proof of insurance civil.
Thank you. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Daryl Pritchett. Could you please state your full name for the record?
Yes, Daryl Junior Pritchett. Good
Thank
morning.
you. Good morning. All right, counsel, what's the resolution today?
Your Honor, there is no resolution. We are prepared to move forward with trial.
All right, thank you. Our next trial date is, Madam Clerk, was it the 22nd?
It was scheduled for trial today.
Oh.
And the officer appeared, I believe. I don't have call.
All right, well, then we are ready for trial today. Okay, very good.
Your Honor, can I handle Judge Griffin's matters really quickly?
Attorney Carpenter, I have a couple of cases left. So I don't mind if you go briefly to Judge Griffin's, but you know, we're going to be ready to proceed here, and I don't want to be holding court open for one case. So we'll be ready to start trial shortly, okay?
And after speaking with Officer Franklin, no recollection on this matter. I've released him, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. On Pritchett?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Madam Clerk, would you call the Pritchett? Oh, well, we're still on the record in the Pritchett matter. Thank you. All right. Attorney Carpenter, sounds like the city is ready to dismiss for lack of recollection. I'm assuming you have no objection to that.
No objection,
All right.
Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Pritchett, your tickets are dismissed. The officer does not recall, so he would be unable to testify at trial. They are dismissed with prejudice at this time. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bye. Okay.
Yeah. I was just double checking, Your Honor, on James Powell as to whether he checked in for trial and if I can release the officer.
You can. I do need an offer on Evanaya Phillips. He was in room 6. In addition to what he has on the docket, he has insurance, registration, and disregarding a traffic signal. Mr. Phillips, since you're back with me now, do you have proof of registration or insurance?
I do have proof of registration, but not insurance at the moment.
Okay.
And that's okay, Your Honor. I did speak with Ms. Baird. I don't know if she had opportunity
I
to
made a
relay
mistake
that.
and left the room. I was looking for some information so that way I could clear up the civil infractions because those did get paid. But I wasn't able to find the receipt, but I was looking for my bank statement so that way I could show that it was paid for.
No, I appreciate your transparency. My name is Tamika Horn. I'm the prosecutor. I have made an offer to your attorney for blockading. The judge could explain it to you, or if you need to go into another breakout room, the judge will do so.
No, whoever is
Blockading
able
and
to.
dismissal of all other matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Madam Clerk, would you just confirm that we do have that disregarding signal active. Otherwise, we can do a withdrawal and a blockading so that you're not getting those points, since Madam City Attorney is willing to do that for you.
Yes, it was closed on June 16th. Sorry, June 17th because of the payment.
Okay, all right. So Mr. Phillips, what that means is you're going to have to ask the court for permission to withdraw your admission. I'll let you do that, and then you'll readmit to the blockading traffic so you can hopefully get rid of those points that would have come along with you just making the payment, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, sound good, Attorney Horn?
No objection, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right.
Yeah, because that would have been 2 points, Mr. Phillips.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
And there'll be a, I believe you have to pay $45 more.
Yep. Okay. All right. So Mr. Phillips, what that means, blockading traffic is a 0-point ticket and it doesn't report out to insurance. So hopefully it keeps your insurance rates from going up. You did pay it, so they may have already gotten some word about it, and you can follow up with the insurance company. But that's the benefit of blockading traffic. It's $175, so it costs a little bit more, but it doesn't go on your record. It's a non-moving violation. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Madam Clerk, would you just call that matter, please?
Okay, for Ivania Phillips, SP 1883573, counts 1, 2, and 3, disregard traffic control device, no valid registration, civil, no insurance, misdemeanor.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Phillips, just state your name for the record.
Ivania Phillips.
Thank you. Attorney Horn, did you want to place an appearance since you're here with me?
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit.
Okay, so Mr. Phillips, I need a motion to withdraw admission. That just means you need to ask me to let you withdraw what you admitted to through your payment so that we can reopen the case.
I would like to withdraw admission.
Okay, thank you. Granted. So then you're going to admit to the blockading traffic. All of your other matters are going to be dismissed. Madam Clerk, that also means that if he overpaid on other things because they're being dismissed today, those could be credited. May I have a date and location as to the blockading, as to the civil infraction, if you have it still?
March 18, 2026, East McNichols in Strasburg.
Okay, Mr. Phillips, you're admitting to blockading traffic at that date and location, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay, that one's $175. Everything else is being dismissed. I don't know how much you paid. So you may need to check in with the cashiers, not before tomorrow, just see if you get money back or if there's anything additional you need to pay, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, all right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney
That's
Horn.
good.
That was very nice of you. That was very nice, Attorney Horn. You didn't have to do that. All right.
Thanks. Okay, I'll get working on Pearson. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay, ready on Kevin Price when you're ready, Madam Clerk.
For Kevin Lowell Price, SP 1827544, count 1, driver license suspended, and all other misdemeanors scheduled for today. And there's one formal hearing. SP 179-31831 for improper equipment.
All right, thank you. Mr. Price, please unmute, start your camera, and state your name.
Okay.
State your
Kevin
name.
Price.
Thank you. Mr. Price, it looks like you're going to plead guilty to 2 reduced charges, failure to display a valid license and improper plates, and then everything else is being dismissed. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location, please?
Just for the record, the case that I have where both counts can go on, one is from 2018. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Okay. It'll be the SP 919777, counts 1 and 2, September 13, 2018, 16th Street in Marquette. Driver's license never acquired, no insurance, misdemeanor.
Okay. So Mr. Price, the reason we're asking you about a 2018 date is because if I can get both charges on the same ticket, it reduces the cost for you. But I do realize that 2018 was a long time ago. So were you operating a vehicle at the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And were you unable to provide a valid license to the officer at that time?
Yes.
And were the plates on your vehicle improper due to a lack of registration or insurance?
Yes.
Thank you. Your plea is accepted. So on the failure to display, it's 190, but on the improper plates, I can reduce that one to 100 for you since it's on the same ticket, okay? So it's
Okay.
290 altogether. I'm giving you 60 days to do one of two things, and that is to either pay the tickets in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. They can put you on a longer term payment plan than I can, but you have to give them their down payment before the 60 days runs out to keep your deal in place, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I have to go into 36th district.
You may pay online through the court's website. You may pay at any of the DivDat machines in the city of Detroit, but if you overpay, they will not give you change back, all right? Or you can pay with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse.
Okay.
All right, have a great day. Don't try to
Okay.
pay on the website or anything before tomorrow. We need to make sure the system is fully updated.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
All right.
Okay. Karen Pickens.
Mr. Pearson, the attorneys are working on your matter. Mr. Pearson, the attorneys are working on your matter. They will be with you shortly. All right, sorry, Madam Clerk. Yeah, I didn't see an officer on Karen Pickens. Have you?
I believe Officer Franklin did appear.
Okay. All right, well, she's still waiting, so hopefully they're discussing her matter. And then we have Terry Parnell, who checked in kind of late, but let's see. Is Parnell trial as well?
Yes, that's all we have left, I believe.
And, did Officer Bennett check in? I know
No.
Risky did. Risky
Bennett,
checked in.
Bennett hasn't checked in.
No. And Henderson hasn't checked in. Let's run the SOS, please.
On who?
On Parnell.
It's suspended.
Oh, you did already. Thank you.
And Henderson ticket, one of these is actually, it's an error because it's a duplicate ticket.
Okay, thank you. Are they listed on the docket twice?
Yes, under two different ticket numbers, but they
Okay.
have the exact same
Thank
charge, same date.
you. Okay, thank you. I'll be right back. Okay, Ms. Parnell.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm okay. How you doing?
Good. Madam Clerk, ready when you are? Make sure you're not muted, Madam Clerk.
For Terry Parnell, SP 185-2439, counts 1 and 2, drive while license suspended, no proof of insurance, civil. SP 1855886, count 1, drive while license suspended, no proof of insurance, civil. SP 1710253, count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. And SP 1377090, count 1, drive while license not valid or improper license.
Thank you. Ms. Parnell, please state your name for the record.
Terry Parnell.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Parnell. All of your tickets are being dismissed today. Today is the date and time that was set for trial. One of your officers appeared. That was Officer Risky. He did not have a recollection of the event, so his ticket will be dismissed with prejudice. That means they can't bring it back. They can't refile it. Okay?
Yes.
Your other tickets issued by the other officers are being dismissed without prejudice for their failure to appear today. They could try to attempt to refile them. It's not the norm, but it does sometimes happen. If they did that and they were successful in refiling the charges, then you'd come back and see me again and we deal with it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
As for now, everything is dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
All right. Bye-bye.
Okay.
All right. We're ready on Karen Pickens.
Yes, I was trying to get her out, but can you bring her out?
She may not know how. Let's see.
I've been trying to get her, but it's not working.
Okay. Karen Pickens, please return to the main session. Karen Pickens, please leave the breakout room and return to the main session. Karen Pickens, I can tell you're speaking, but we cannot hear you because you are in a breakout room. Please return to the main session. Karen Pickens, please return to the main session. She's in there just talking away. Let me see if I can go get her. Okay, I had to remove Ms. Pickens and tell her to dial back in because she can't figure out how to get out of breakout room. Okay, so this is gonna be Ms. Pickens again, I believe. Okay, let's unmute, please. I just sent you a prompt, unmute your device. There we go. And let's get your camera on. You should see a prompt to start your video. There we go. It is Ms. Pickens. All right. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Pickens matter? Karen Pickens.
For Karen Janine Pickens, SB 1905671, count 1, driver's license never acquired, and SB 1905669, counts 1, 2, and 3, no proof of insurance civil, no valid registration civil, defective or missing equipment.
Thank you. Ms. Pickens, good morning again. Please state your name for the record.
Karen Janine Pickens.
Thank you. I understand you're just going to plead guilty to one count of the reduced charge of failure to display a license. Everything else is being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No,
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
no.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes,
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
yes,
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location for the failure to display?
April 27, 2026, Prevost and Grand River.
Ma'am, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it also true that you were not able to display a valid license to the officer at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your plea is accepted. Your fine is $190.
Okay,
I will give you 60 days to do one of two things. Either pay the fine in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse if you need to. They can give you much longer to pay than I can. You just need to give them their down payment within the 60 days to start on the payment plan, and all of these dismissals will stay in place, okay?
okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Have a good day, ma'am.
You too. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Looks like they're working on Pearson right now. He's been made aware. So as soon as they're ready, we'll finish that up. Okay, that's good. Give Ms. Barrett, Attorney Barrett, a moment to relay it to defendant. Madam Clerk, did you receive a copy of the offer on Pearson? They just emailed it. I want to make sure you have it for pulling the tickets. Hey, Tompkins, I saw your head go by.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. No, I didn't get it.
Okay, I'm sending it to you now. Whew. Thank you, Attorney Horn. I see you got through that.
Yep. And so I'm gonna bring that to the courtroom from Madam Clerk. I got two, just for your reference if you need it, Madam.
I was telling him he's been using that help button all morning. I'm like, you realize you have a lot of cases. We're
Right.
dealing with
And
it.
you're getting the help. Just wait.
And it's always people that we haven't seen in 5 years. Like,
That
we have a
part.
lot of cases because we've been waiting for you for 5 years.
All right, I'm
Okay.
gonna take these down. I'll be right back.
Okay.
I have the email.
I know that's right. There's more room in here than I got in my house. It work out.
Here you, here to help you.
I know you did, Kevin.
Okay, looks like we're ready on Mr. Pearson.
For Daquan Jarrell Pearson, SP 1590853, count 1, and all other matters scheduled for today's docket.
Thank you. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Melita Baird on behalf of Daquan Pearson.
Okay. Mr. Pearson, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Daquan Darrell Pearson.
Thank you. All right, looks like we've got to plead a 1 count of failure to display, 2 counts of improper plates, and 2 counts of improper equipment. Does that sound correct?
Correct.
Mr. Pearson, does that sound right to you?
Yes.
Attorney Horn, are you placing an appearance on the record? You're muted. Okay. Mr. Pearson, did anyone promise you anything else that I haven't heard about today to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
The counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
Do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the failure to display, please?
June 8th, 2024, East Otter Drive and Charest Street.
Mr. Pearson, is it true that you were operating a vehicle at that date and location and could
Yes.
not display and that you could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Correct.
Thank you. All right, we've got 2 improper plates, Madam Clerk. May I have the date and location for the first one?
The first one on 0691, April 8th, 2025, East Warren and Guilford.
Mr. Pearson, is it true that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates at that date and location in the city of Detroit due to a lack of registration or insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, may I have the date and location for the second improper plate, please, Madam Clerk?
The other 2 ticket numbers that I have listed are for drive while license suspended and failed to display a valid operator's license.
Thank you. Looks like I'm just looking at the plea form submitted by Attorney Horn. And it looks like those are going to come from 1581, Officer Ratliff. Do you have a date and location on ticket ending in 1581?
August 7th, 2025, East 7 Mile and Ryan.
And the original charge?
Failed to display a valid operator's license.
Thank you. Mr. Pearson, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
We are reducing that to improper plates based upon your admission that you just made. All right, and then may I have a date and location on ticket ending in 198, counts 1 and 2, please?
August 7th, 2025, East 7 Mile and Ryan Road.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Ratliff, you are charged with improper equipment, including and driving with a defective mirror. You are admitting to both of those things at that date and location. Is that correct?
I'm sorry. You said the wrong name.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I said, what did I say? I thought I said Pearson.
You said Rafflin or something like that.
That's the officer. So, yeah, I was just telling my clerk that would be at Officer Ratliff.
Okay.
All right. So
Yeah,
did
that's
you hear the
correct.
date and location that she just stated?
Yes, I did.
All right. And you admitting to both of those?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, as to your fines, Attorney Horn, I'm sorry, did you want to place your appearance on the record before we go into the sentencing?
I don't mind, Your Honor. Good morning. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people.
All right, thank you. All right, so on your failure to display and both of your improper plates, each of those is going to be $190. On your equipment violation, each of those, Madam Clerk, is it 165?
120.
120 on each of your equipment violations, okay?
Yeah.
So we can do one of two things. You can request community service if you need it. The other thing I can do is I'll give you 90 days to make the payment if you can. If you can't make the full payment in 90 days, what you do have to do is get a down payment to the cashiers on the first floor within the 90 days. They can put you on a much longer payment plan than I can.
Okay. Well, so now I have 90 days just to pay everything in full.
You can pay it all in full within 90 days, or you can start on a payment plan within 90 days. As long as you do one of those two things, this deal remains in place. So when you start on a payment plan, they ask you for a down payment. Okay. And then they can stretch it out to a year, even longer.
But it could be paid before that, right?
You can pay, yes, you can pay
Yeah.
it anytime within the 90 days. You can pay it off in full. But if you
Okay.
need more time, you can go see the cashiers, just give them a down payment. They'll give you longer time to pay.
Okay.
Sound
That's
good?
fine. Yes.
Okay. All right, Mr. Pearson, have a good day.
You as well. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. Thank you, everyone, for your work today. Much appreciated.
Thank you. Your Honor, can we stay on? Can you just take us
Yes,
off?
ma'am. Uh-huh.